Adam, it's Brian Muir over at Mint Law Woodcrafters. I'd like to show you what I've done for your door to this point. First of all, this has been quite a challenge, this door. This Barnboard came to us pretty rough. I've cleaned it all off, wire brushed it, washed it, and vacuumed it. I think we've got just about all of the grit out of it. Still a little bit left in, beautiful patina left on this wood. It really does look like a nice, clean barn floor right now. So when it came in, it was quite thick. To just sandwich it onto another door or subframe would have meant the door would have been 5 inches thick, and that's a bit much. Hinges won't work. Might not even get hardware that'll work on a door that thick. So what we had to do is get a little ingenious, and this is what I've done. There's a door that's been built underneath it. It's got panels in it. Actually, it's plywood. So that actually provides the infiltration barrier against the air coming in. And this stuff has been applied to it. We're keeping it mostly thick. As you can see here, for the most part, it's that thick. And then where it encounters the bracing inside, we've thinned it down a little bit. So down to 3 inches. So that's what we've done with your door. We've got a 3-inch door. We've got the Barnboard on both faces, so it looks pretty good. So the other challenge was, this is a monster door, 4 foot by 8 feet. So weather strip is a concern. Something like that, it may move a little bit with the seasons. You're getting into some large distances away from the hinges. So how to make the frame so that the weather strip is adjustable easily. What we ended up doing was deciding that we would just mill up a normal frame out of fresh pine, all kiln dried, and apply this to the surface of it. And then we got very ingenious about making a little strip, a stop that the door stops against, that's adjustable in and out, so that the door can be made to seal properly. Now, it's very hard to make weather strips seal against all this rough stuff, so what we're going to do is around the perimeter of the door, we're going to apply a nice solid strip of oak that's going to be stained the same color as the rest of the door. That gives us a smooth surface on which to make a seal with the weather strip. And at the bottom we will use our usual adjustable sweep. Now, as far as the window is concerned, as you see the door right now, you don't see a window in there, but there is a window cut in underneath this stuff. And this fellow here will drop in, and he'll have a piece of glass in it. In fact, 2. It'll be a sealed unit. And he'll also have a little speakeasy door made from the same material as this. Hinges we haven't decided on yet. Probably some sort of black wrought iron hinges that will allow the customer to open the door and close it. It's not apparent from where the camera views, but the top of the door is arched, like you asked for. And hinges. 5 of these babies. Commercial ball bearing hinges that should be plenty strong enough to deal with the kind of weight we're dealing with. And of course, with having the edge of the door bound with this piece of oak, then those hinges will be going into oak, so that's good and solid. Not much chance of those hinges ever pulling out. And there you go, Adam. This is the door I didn't mention. This is the door for Campbell's residence. I hope he likes it, and we'll talk again.